timely advice on how to start an affiliate marketing plan. In these hard times, alternative ways for making some extra cash can be very welcome. Affiliate programs take advantage of the online markets and can be very lucrative. If you're just starting a site and want to improve profits or don't know what to do, this video can help. Apply these simple tips and suggestions to see a definite improvement in your site. To be treated fairly, you should avoid affiliate marketing companies that do not pay you a lot. You should compare offers and negotiate. You should expect a bonus of at least 20% on each product that you sell to a customer. Any company offering less is not treating you fairly. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to choose quality products to advertise. Remember, all of the recommendations that you make reflect directly back on you. Therefore, if you advertise an affordable and quality product, your customers or subscribers will trust your advice, thereby boosting your credibility. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. Use the affiliate tools provided by the companies you are working with. Most affiliate programs are constantly adding new content you can use to promote the products. From ebooks, to tip lists, banners, and email templates to send out to your lists. These are generally proven tested methods, so take advantage of them. When using affiliate marketing on your site, always inform your readers of your affiliations. Be upfront about your relationship with the vendor. Failure to disclose that you receive some degree of revenue from the advertisements can often make many customers feel as though you are trying to be dishonest or promote the vendor simply to make a quick buck. Affiliate programs can be a great source of income. In order to make it successful, you need to put in your time and effort. Nothing is free, and sites that you barely put any effort into will quickly fall apart. If you persistently follow these tips and try to improve your site, you'll see a huge difference in results. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.